Why, hello, whole squad and whole nation. So I thought about it. I said, damn, I ain't put a haul out. Okay, so let's do a haul. It's gonna be a tiny haul, but I do have a haul nevertheless. And so yeah, so let's do a little haul. If you're new, welcome, welcome. I'm LuuLuu. Good to see you. Hope you stay. Leave a little, come part of the squad or nation. We'll appreciate seeing you more often. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like and hype. Okay, so I have a haul. It is a small haul. And of course it is because, of course, if you're on my channel, you know the circumstances I'm dealing with. So I haven't spent a lot. I can't afford to spend a lot. Now, here's what I was thinking though, because a lot of times with stress, I go for the spending. I spend money. I go buy some things, and I spend a lot of money on fragrances, on this, on that, whatever I'm obsessing on. And I think, and I'm feeling like maybe I needed this little break to like really slow me down. Not because I don't like what I have, but because I am an overspender. And with that being said, things pile up. And I'm really trying to be this person who uses things in a timely manner. Not necessarily timely, but actually use things. And so even though I don't want to be in this situation, maybe I needed a slight break. Let me say, maybe it's going to be short, but maybe it's long enough for me to learn that lesson. And part of that lesson is I don't have to spend money all the time to feel better. I don't have to spend money to and have packages coming for that dopamine hit. I can, find other things. Go sit out in the yard, not as, while it's nice. Go sit out for a little while. Enjoy the day. You go through the things I have and use them as opposed to spending money on something, because, that is a good dopamine hit. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm not gonna say that, circumstances change and I'm not gonna shop, but I do find myself slowing down on my spending habits. So I think my purse spending habits was about to get willy-nilly out of control. So now I got to pull it back, which will help me to be more intentional when I'm doing things like that, as opposed to, ooh, a pretty purse, let me get it. Like I can be when I'm like immersed in something. So let's go ahead and talk about the things I've gotten. Okay. Fragrances. So I ordered from Jomashop. I ordered this. I don't even remember when I ordered. Y'all know how Jomashop is. You could get it and they can send it out in 5 days. They can send it out in 5 weeks. I honestly don't remember when I ordered this. Now I ordered 3 bottles, which was like a lot for me right now, which is so interesting for me to say. But one hasn't shipped yet. And honestly, if it ever does, I'll be okay with that. So I picked up Rosa Incandescent in the Gucci Alchemist line. This is one of the newer ones. And then I picked up Carolina Herrera's Amazonian Rose. This was a tester bottle, a really, really good price for these babies. So when I saw the tester price, I said, yes, tester me, please. There's a couple more that I do want from this line. So if I can ever catch them on a good deal, I will. All right. Then the only other fragrances I got were from Sugar Mama, which Monique kindly gifted them to me. And they are the Southern Oud collection. She sent me all 6. I'm only going to show one because I could just pull them all out. And I've done a first impression. Well, not a first impression, but an unboxing of them. So this is the Southern Oud Gothic collection. Southern Gothic Oud collection. I can't remember. But it's 6 different ones. This one is the debutante. There's Audacity, Black Rose Mojo, Stillwater, 2 more I can't think of. But anyway, she sent me that and the body butters to accompany them, which I am so in love with. I love all the fragrances. One of them isn't necessarily one that I definitely want, but they're all very good, very beautiful fragrances. So these are the Sugar Mamas that I received. And that's all of the fragrances that I have. So now, of course, let's hit Coach, because we know that I have been doing Coach a lot. So I have a couple of things from Coach. All right. First thing is a belt. Coach had these on sale. I have been looking at them and looking at them. They went down again from the original sale price. So this is originally, these are like $100 or so. I got it for about half. And they were so inexpensive. I bought B's. This is her Christmas present, so I bought two of them, one for her, one for me. And they are reversible from pink to black. So I feel like I'm getting two belts. This is good. All right, by the time you see this, you will see my bag collection. So you will have seen these two bags. This one is the Juliet Sling bag in this glazed black leather. And then I picked up this Pre-Loved. I think this is a Phoebe bag. I said it was not smelling good. It still is not. I'm gonna have to put it in the freezer because I read someplace to put it in the freezer, in a bag in the freezer for like a week. With I'm gonna put some dryer sheets in here, and hopefully that will do the trick, because it said put it in with baking soda, but that ain't helping. Okay, so that so you can hear everything I had to say about those in that in the Coach collection. Now I have this one. This was not in that video because I just got it this week. This is a vintage bag. This is called the Coach Whitney bag. My cousin gave this to me. I was over her house. I've been like eyeing it, and I was like, cousin, you're not even caring to give it to me. So this bag is from the 90s. So it's about 30 years old. It's 30 plus years old. So it is truly a vintage bag, and I am in love with it. It's a black bag, and I wanted a black Coach, so I got two. So I might be good on my black Coaches. See, this is what I'm trying to do, is like figure out ways to like, scratch that itch without it being bad. So we have it here. It's here. We got the inside, and it's got a little pocket, and then it's got an outer pocket right here. And on the back it doesn't. So it has the inner pocket right here, the big pocket right there, and then it's got a pouch. Too cute, and it was free $99. So yeah. So here's my whole haul. Less than 10 minutes, y'all. All right, that's it. Let's go ahead. Thank you for watching as always. And as always, be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Talk to you later.